Thank you all for joining us today. I'm thrilled to be here to introduce our team and share with you our web app, Get Good, which we have developed for MYOB 2023 Digital Challenge. Firstly, I'd like to introduce our team. My name is Cindy. We are a team of 4 passionate first year students from the University of Melbourne. Myself, Quan, and Terry are science students majoring computer science. We also have Jonathan, who's a commerce student majoring finance and management. Now, I'm going to talk about some existing problems in the market. According to Payments Journal 2019, there's a 15% of churn rate on average for credit card customers. And why is that? As we can see in these graphs, one of the major reasons customers leave their banks is due to bad customer service. Another major reason is that banks cannot provide services that satisfy customers' needs. In financial year 2021 to 22, Australian Financial Complaints Authority received 72,358 complaints. Even worse, one person will then tell another 15 people, which leads to around 1 million customers knowing about poor customer service. This will then lead to a loss of 122 billion Australian dollars per year, which is detrimental to every company. How do we keep existing customers and gain new customers? From this chart, we can see providing an attractive offer to customers is the top solution for every bank.
So, what does a business need in order to create an attractive offer? Well, the answer is a business needs to adopt a personalized and prioritized approach based on risk. What exactly does that mean? Well, for starters, businesses need to be able to identify which customers are at risk of leaving and allocate resources to convince them to stay. This could come in the form of personalized advertisement. With regard to identifying leaving customers, in order to take it up a notch, businesses need to be able to analyze their customers' opinions of their services and deduce the general consensus. Of course, if businesses prefer a more direct approach to retaining customers, they could go straight to the root of a problem, such as fraud. And in the case of fraud, businesses need to be able to predict fraud and warn their employees as well as their customers.
One of our potential customers, Diana, the head director of ABC, credit card customer relationship management team of 10. Her primary interest is to minimize customer churn rates and maximize their satisfaction. Diana's pain point is cost due to she only has 10 employees, but she needs to deal with over 500 customers. So, firstly, her agents has no idea who is prepared to leave. Second, her agents cannot personalize advertisement for each customer. And thirdly, her agent cannot read every single feedback about the products. And fourthly, her agents might not be there when the customer needs them the most during fraud. So we introduce to you Get Good, an easy-to-use AI-driven web applications with 4 main features resolving the 4 issues we mentioned before. The first one is automatic content creator. Second is the customer current and predicted statistics analysis. The third feature is product sentiment analysis. And the fourth feature is automatic fraud detections and tracking. Here is a brief overview of our applications. For the first features, the only thing you need to do is to input your topic and follow our prompt guide to tailor the target audience, whether it is to a specific customer or to the general public. And then our tools will generate an advertisement for you within seconds. The second feature is the customer statistic, both past and future, for you to keep track. Similar to other customer relationship management tools, our tools display the historical data analysis, but our difference lies in the AI predicted future trends. Our AI will learn from the past pattern and to predict the lifespan of customers and whether they are prepared to leave your company or not. And so, after those key metrics is calculated, our tools provide the attention levels requirements for each customer, so you could prioritize your time and keep your customers at the company. The third feature is product sentiment analysis. Our AI will scan through all the comments and then provide to you the product's details, overall satisfaction rates, and along with own the commands and the satisfaction rates of each command. So you could make data-driven decisions whether to keep this product or improve it or remove it completely, and thus improve the customer experience. Our fourth feature is fraud management. So our AI engines will scan through all the past pattern in order to learn the trend and predict any anomalies. And it will warn both the agents and the customers about any potential fraud. And it will display, as you can see, the unusual transaction amounts, any failed authentication attempts, as well as the locations of the anomalies. So measures could be taken out to mitigate the damage.
The architecture we will utilize consists of three parts: the front end, the back end, and the storage. Our agent customers will interact with the front end, guided by an intuitive and informative website UI that is designed with the industry-ready JavaScript framework of React.js. The back end serves as a connection hub for our front end, machine learning and AI models, and our database storage. The Python microframework Flask strikes a perfect balance between the swift prototyping and real-life performance required in our backend. For short and long-term storage of our agent's information, we selected MongoDB, a fast and flexible NoSQL database solution for unstructured and dynamic data.
Now, let's explore our business model and go-to-market strategy. Who are our customers? They will primarily be credit card-related firms. In other words, our business is a B2B business. What makes our product stand out from the rest, if there are even any? Our value propositions include temporarily free service, innovative and automated features, intuitive user interface and user experience, and convenience, as all of the features are integrated within one single app. Our primary activities include developing the product's features, marketing, and enhancing in-house machine learning models. The resources used to run our business include human labor and technology, such as APIs and infrastructure platforms. In order to market our product, we will utilize channels such as LinkedIn, word of mouth, and pitching competitions like MYOB Digital Challenge. With regard to customer relationship management, our clients will be able to reach out to us directly for any technical support or tailored requests. For any customers that are interested in our product before our full launch, we will offer a beta trial. After the full launch, we will offer customers first a 30-day free trial, then a fee of $25 a month. That, along with the prompt fee from OpenAI, will be our source of revenue. Our offer post-full launch will also provide customers with the right to cancel the service at any time. So what's in it for the customers? Well, according to PwC, a potential saving of at least $7,000 a year. This is what our project timeline looks like. We already completed the planning and are ready to begin prototyping. This will then be followed by the launch of our minimum viable product, a 2-month beta testing period, the full launch of our product, and the post-launch phase where we try to further enhance our product and ensure customer satisfaction. It's funny how we end with ensuring customer satisfaction, because if there's anything we have learned so far, it is that customer satisfaction is significant to a business.
Financially, our low-cost architecture contributes to a profit in as soon as 2 quarters, swiftly after our beta testing into a full launch. The sources of revenue include our premium subscription service and the customer AI prompt fee. The cost structure is a mixture of GPT-4 and AI usage, web server hosting, and development. Starting with 10 agent customers, we project to reach 16 customers in the 12th month after the full launch. By the end of 2025, we estimate a profit of over $66,000 annually. After the initial development and into the post-launch supporting period, we can focus on enhancing our product offerings. Depending on the finances and customer numbers, we can substitute an in-house LLM for the pricier GPT-4 API as to reduce our per agent costs. If demand persists, we thought to expand our products to larger markets outside of the credit card industry with potentially higher margins and users. Lastly, we can always seek to improve our customer insights machine learning model by feeding in more and more precious data. We may also offer tailored products as to incorporate into the agent's existing systems for more cohesive experience.
Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope to see you in the finals.